NVTS is up 16% in the regular session of today, the 9th of June 2025. We had in our last projections, sorry, in our last video, projections of 6.05 that has just been met, I think, in this session. Yes, it met that in this session, I believe. And then probably, if not in this session, in the previous session, let's see what we, yesterday, on Thursday, it was at 6:04. So as a matter of fact, he actually met that way long ago, over a week ago. So he met 6.02. He met it so over a week ago on the 3rd of June, Tuesday the 3rd of June. That was when that was met. And then 7.11 was met in this session. And then our next target is 8.15. I think we may have to even continue to extend our projections. We may have to may have to do that. So we have also noticed on this daily chart that the 10-day moving average is beginning to serve as a primary demand line. You can see it just came close, and then it closed just almost on it, and then the next day it pivoted again, and then it happened again on Thursday. On Friday, was that Friday? Happened on Friday. When did this happen? Happened on Friday. Yeah, Friday happened again on Friday, last trading session. So if it does that, okay, as a matter of fact, it's actually extrapolating that it might happen again. It might happen by today's trade. Oh no, next week. So next week. So higher prices are expected to remain in place all the way towards Thursday the 12th, and maybe from Friday to Monday, Friday to Tuesday, Friday to no, from Friday. Okay, from Thursday to Monday or thereabout next week. It may begin to decline, but there's also, and then after that, it will print this the 10 period moving average. The extrapolation is extrapolation of the 10 and the 3 moving averages are indicating that they still validating this trend, the trend of peaking demand from the 10-day moving average. So that's what's also it's been is that is being extrapolated the next is being extrapolated next week, and after that it might occur again as well. That will be sometime in end of the month as well, and then after that I think it may occur again, but this time around it will be not it won't pivot to the upside. It will be a decline, just a correction, so it's just extrapolating that the rollover is going to occur. This will be towards towards the end of July. Towards the end of July. No guarantee that any of these will pan out. So the algos here are not extrapolating anything higher. It's 2.5 that we have. So we can take this. We can take this rejection at 6.79, 6.79, and take this support at 6.04. So we have 0.75 as the difference. Let's see whether we can get, we use that difference and then begin to extrapolate further. We'll just continue from where we stopped. So 0.75 multiplied by 1.618. Add that to the current price of 7.16. We have 8.37. 8.37. Okay. Okay. Just a slight improvement from our current level, from our last projection. So we have 8.37. 8.37. We try again, 0.75 multiplied by 2.618. Add that to the current price of 7.16. We have 9.12. Then we try again, 0.75 multiplied by 3.618. 0.75 multiplied by 3.618. Add that to the current price of 7.14. We have 9.85. So those are the projections. Yeah, those are the projections. What are the odds of those printing? Let's try now. Let's see what we can make out of those projections we have. I think it may not be easy to find it because we have these indicators over there, so we can just have a look at the um, 4-hour charts here. Also, we might see what the extrapolations are saying. Here, it's not respecting what we have over there on the on the daily chart. Lower prices are extrapolated, have been extrapolated. We have a contraction that is a distributive contraction is expected. Let's see what we have in terms of projections. Yeah, we have very ambitious projections. So it's a mix of things. Lower prices. Extrapolation to the downside of the moving averages and also the price. Yeah, of the moving averages and but upper projections in play on the daily chart. No upper projections, but higher prices are extrapolated. So we have upper projection 10.74, 13.05, 14.49. We don't even have on we have not even we don't even have these projections. So the algos are actually more ambitious than us. So you could say it's a validation of the projections we have. It could be, you could say that. Um, yeah, so that's what we have. Those prices, it seems they have never, those prices we projected, it seems they have never printed before. We could check the weekly chart. It might give us an impression. Yeah, okay, those prices have printed before. It's just that we have not. Yeah, they have printed before. So 18.26. Yeah, so those have printed before. So they're not new prices. Okay, so it's just that maybe just we'll have to. It's not going to be that convenient to slide and try to find the moving average to see. It may not be easy. Okay, we'll just leave it. We'll just leave it. So, but I can say, well, since we can't assess them in a very short time, the probability of them printing is not very encouraging. I think those prices, but regardless of what the probabilities are saying, anything whatever's going to happen is going to happen. Um, the probability may not have been that strong for these other prices to print, and they have printed as well. Let's see whether there's any news for NVTS. No, still no news. No, still the same old news. Yeah, I think they were selected to join to do something for Nvidia some time ago. That was about some weeks ago. Got this 164% boost from Nvidia. This was on the third. Okay, yeah. Navitas and Bright Loop partners to provide next generation hydrogen fuel cell charging. Okay, yeah. Yes, we covered this. Yeah. Yeah, we did. Okay. Let's see what's going on. Okay. See what you make of MVTS. Still showing strength, relentless, regardless of anything. So I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.